Searching for the best router open source OS for security purposes in 2026. In this video, we'll consider 3 best routers that provide routing, firewall services, and security. First, let's get started with VyOS. VyOS is a Linux-based CLI first network OS which is designed for routing with some firewall features. The system allows for enterprise-grade routing through the CLI. Hence, it is good for professionals but does not fit beginners. Actually, it represents a Linux distribution specialized in routing, BGP, and tunneling capabilities, including advanced firewall settings. As a result, VyOS provides higher throughput and more powerful functions. Next, we have pfSense. pfSense is based on FreeBSD and is essentially a firewall first software with a large plugin repository. pfSense is user-friendly via its web-based GUI and thus is suitable for SMB looking for a firewall solution. pfSense allows VLAN support, traffic shaping, DNS, load balancing, failover, along with good documentation and a vast community. pfSense is a traditional and safe way to go for firewall and VPN configurations and works well for SMBs with adequate technical skills. However, it might need better hardware for high throughput purposes, and pfSense Plus costs extra for custom hardware. Lastly, we have OPNsense. OPNsense is a free BSD based open source fork of pfSense that focuses more on security and usability. OPNsense has a responsive UI design, faster or more frequent update schedules, and a modular plugin manager. OPNsense is based on FreeBSD for security benefits, while pfSense is based on standard FreeBSD. OPNsense is a native WireGuard and OpenSSL based solution with an active and transparent development community on GitHub. In terms of resource utilization, it is equivalent to pfSense and can work great as homelab or SMB software. So, which is better? The VyOS suits CLI enthusiasts and users in need of fast routing, high flexibility, and customization for enterprise and virtual environments, but isn't easy to get into. pfSense offers proven stability along with powerful GUI interface suitable for small businesses that require reliable firewalls with a good quality of VPN service, yet consumes more system resources. OPNsense combines usability with high level of security, having a modern, stylish GUI, regular updates, and strong user community. So, if you enjoy CLI and fast routing, use VyOS. If you look for stability and GUI, go for pfSense. If you appreciate usability, modernity, and security, then OPNsense will do fine for you. Test them and decide for yourself. Share your preferred OS in the comments below and subscribe to our channel for further comparisons of network and security tools.